Hi, today I am going to explain how to save and import DXF file in SolidWorks, part file as well as in drawing file. DXF means data exchange format or drawing exchange format. So let's start. So I have created simply extruded part. Now I am going to insert DXF file. Before that I need to select the face and select DXF file, and I'm going to insert DXF file on this face. So this is the DXF file, and it is processing. See this. So there are many number of entities. So what we need to do here is select all the entities and make it block. And move location as per requirement, and go to extrude cut. Say OK. So we can import file and we can use for engraving, embossing, or we can import logos also. So this is how we need to import DXF file in the part file. Now I'm going to show how to save this file or export this file. So this is the DXF file. Save it. I'm going to show how this DXF file is saved. See, this is how. Okay. Next, I'm going to show how to import and save DXF file in AutoCAD. So first I'm going to show how to insert DXF file in drawing. Keep it in portrait, A4 portrait. keep it as the center. It is processing. Save. OK. See, this is how, and we can make block. And we can move wherever we want. Now same thing, I'm going to convert this drawing into DXF file. Save as DXF and save. OK. Save. OK. And it is processing. Now I'm going to open this file. So complete drawing has been changed. See, complete drawing. So we can import this DXF file in any AutoCAD or any 2D software. So this is how we can save and import DXF file in SolidWorks part as well as in drawing. Thank you.